Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question, a nice exponential equation, which is 5 power x plus 5 power x equals to 5 power 3. And let's provide solution very quickly. And of course here we have 5 power x and of course plus 5 power x equals to 5 power 3. And of course, because we have 5 power x, which is common, we have to factorize 5 power x right here to get 1 plus 1 equals to 5 power 3. Right, so this is 5 power x times 2, and this is equals to 5 power 3. And this is what we have right here. So we have 5 power 3 to divide it right here, and we have to divide 5 power 3 right here. So we have 5 power x over 5 power 3, because they have common or the same base, times 2 equals to 1. And we can divide 2 and divide 2 so that this will be cancelled to get 5 power x over 5 power 3 equal to 1 over 2. Now we have 5 power x minus 3 equal to 1 over 2. So at this stage we have to apply logarithm. Logarithm of 5 power x minus 3 equals to logarithm of 1 over 2. And of course this is what we have right here. We have x minus 3 logarithm of 5 equals to logarithm of 1 over 2. We have to divide logarithm of 5 both sides, and we shall remain with x minus 3 equals to logarithm of 1 over 2 raised to the base of 5, and x only can be logarithm of 1 over 2 raised to the base 5 plus 3, and this is our value of x. And always have to check if the answer is correct. So I have to copy question 5 power x plus 5 power x equals to 5 power 3. And of course here we have 5 power logarithm of 1 over 2 raised to the base 5 plus 3. Then here we have plus 5 power logarithm of 1 over 2 to the base 5 raised to the power plus 3 equals to, here we shall say we have power 3. And of course here we shall get 5 power logarithm of 1 over 2 raised to the base 5 times 5 power 3, then plus 5 power logarithm of 1 over 2 raised to the power 3, then times 5 power 3 equals to 5 power 3. And of course, because here we have same base, so that we shall get 1 over 2 times 5 power 3, and of course plus here we have 1 over 2 times 5 power 3 equals to 5 power 3. And we have this one which is common, so we have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 equals to 1. And of course this is 1 which is equals to 1 left hand side, here equals to right hand side. That's why I say thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.